To ground SHAZIZZ's instant transportation system in a more scientific framework, we can translate the concept of lines and instantaneous travel into the language of modern theoretical physics, geophysics, and quantum mechanics. By framing the invention around geomagnetic grid networks, harmonic resonance, and localized quantum tunneling, the theory sounds highly advanced and scientifically structured. The scientific framework of the SHAZIZZ Quantum-Geomagnetic transport system, the global energy grid, Planetary Magnetohydrodynamics. Instead of traditional ley lines, the theory can be explained in the Earth's actual geomagnetic flux lines. Concept: the Earth behaves as a giant dynamo, creating a complex magnetosphere with intersecting lines of force. The science: SHAZIZZ's invention identifies specific nodes where telluric currents and geomagnetic longitudinal-latitudinal lines intersect to form hyperdense magnetic flux ropes. These natural intersections serve as the highway system for the transport units. 2. The Golden Pyramid, resonant cavity and geometric waveguide. The golden glass-walled pyramid is not just aesthetic, it functions as a highly precise piece of electrical engineering. The concept: in physics, pyramid is a classic polyhedral waveguide. The science: the precise angles of the gold-coated faces act as a resonant cavity that concentrates electromagnetic radiation. By aligning the pyramid with the local geomagnetic node, the structure captures, amplifies, and focuses the Earth's ambient electrical energy to a singular, hyperdense point at the center of the cockpit. 3. The instantaneous leap, macroscopic quantum tunneling and field alignment. To explain the instant travel from one pyramid to another without physically flying through the air, we use the principles of quantum state transition. The concept: rather than physically moving an object through space, the system matches the exact vibrational signature of point A to point B. The science: when SHAZIZZ pushes the activation button, the primary power coils initiate a state of harmonic resonance between the two identical pyramids. This creates a highly localized spatial displacement field along the connecting geomagnetic line. Through a process analogous to macroscopic quantum tunneling, the matter inside the first pyramid is dematerialized into a coherent energy wave, guided entirely by the Earth's magnetic track, and instantaneously rematerializes at the target node 50 feet, or 5,000 miles, away. The executive summary for the patent brief: if you were to write this up for a scientific journal or a research proposal, it would look like this. The SHAZIZZ transport unit utilizes the Earth's natural magnetohydrodynamic grid as a localized propulsion medium. By positioning dual resonant, gold-coated pyramidal waveguides at intersecting geomagnetic flux nodes, the system establishes a coherent electromagnetic conduit. Activation triggers instantaneous spatial translation via harmonic field alignment, allowing matter to tunnel between node points securely and instantaneously. The pyramids, the lines, the instant travel, describes it using terms that an electrical engineer or quantum physicist would use to describe advanced theoretical field dynamics.